Today we're going to talk about the true cost of having a vehicle. A common mistake that people make when they're buying a vehicle is not factoring in all the costs that buying a vehicle involves. You have to factor in, of course, the payments, the monthly payments that you're going to have, but you also have to factor in a few different things, such as fuel consumption on the vehicle. If you buy a truck, the fuel consumption is going to be different than if you buy a hybrid vehicle, so you have to plan for that. Another thing is maintenance on the vehicles. If you buy maybe a BMW, an M3, the oil changes are going to be way different than if you buy a Toyota Camry that is going to cost you 60, 50 bucks, something like that. That's another thing that you have to take into consideration, because every little thing is going to add up to those monthly expenses that you have to expect. Another one that we talked about in a different episode was insurance. The insurance is going to vary depending on your age, depending on your driving record, depending on the vehicle. If you're buying a vehicle, a sports car, the insurance is going to be way higher than if you're buying a small car or a family sedan, maybe an SUV, something like that. You have to take all of those things into consideration. And the last thing is unexpected repairs. This is important, very important, because it can make a huge difference. If you buy that BMW, that M3, and let's say that you need to change a rim on those cars, it's going to cost you one rim. It's going to cost you about $600 or $500 for one rim. So that's something that you did not plan, and now you have to come up with $600. Instead, if you had a Toyota Camry or Toyota Corolla, it might only run you for like $100 or something like that. And everything adds up. So the true cost of the vehicle depends on many factors. So take all of them into consideration before making your decision. And that's it for today.